Hi guys, so I'm just doing a cooking vlog. I'm doing steamed fish, but I already have a video on my channel on how I make my steamed fish. Yes, so right here at the back I've got some rice and peas. So now I'm gonna cook my steamed fish. So I have my pot on my stove and I add at least 2 teaspoons of olive oil. So now I'm gonna add some onion, tomato and garlic and some scallion. Okay, so I'm also gonna add 1 carrot that I cut and pumpkin. Okay, so I add at least just over quarter of a pumpkin. I love me some steamed fish. And I'm gonna use sea bass. If you want, you can always use snapper or parrotfish, red brim. Doesn't really matter. Just gonna leave it for at least 1 minute to saute, okay, on a low heat. So just after 1 minute, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of my fish seasoning. Give it a stir. And now guys, I'm gonna add at least 2 cups of water, okay? I'm adding hot water from my kettle. Yeah, that's it, because you don't need a lot. I'm gonna add just half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of my black pepper, some of my pimento seed, not a lot, just a few of them, and you can always taste it to your liking. Okay, I'm gonna add some of my Grace cock flavor noodle soup mix. If you want, you can always add some fish tea. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it. You wanna sieve it like. I don't like when the noodle in my steamed fish, guys, honestly, or even in my soup. At times I do make it to be in my soup or even in my steamed fish, but sometimes I don't always like it to be in there. So once it's finished, this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna give it a stir. It looks so good. So I'm just adding just a few cut of my scotch bonnet pepper. You don't need a lot unless you want it to be really spicy. And you can always taste it to your liking. If it need any more salt, any more seasoning, you can always add, okay? So this is my fish that already seasoning, guys, and I just season it with some fish seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, and just a pinch of salt, okay? And I cut it so the seasoning will go right through it. So now I'm gonna add my fish. This sea bass is pretty big, guys. So this is how I cut it, as you guys can see. so the seasoning go right through it. Okay. Boy, I don't know if the whole of them can hold, you know, because of 4 fish I have. No sir, look on that. So what you can do, guys, you can just take your spoon and just pour all that liquid all over on your fish, and some of the onions, the carrot. Yes. This look amazing already. It looks super, super delicious. I love steamed fish with okra. I'm gonna add some okra to it. You can always add some crackers, but I'm not gonna add no crackers to it. I'm just gonna add just the okra and that's it. Yeah. So guys, I have some more of my carrot leaf back. So I'm just gonna add a few of my carrot on top like so. And I also have some pumpkin. This is totally optional, but I'm gonna add some chocho. Yeah? I'm using just half of chocho that I cut. So I'm gonna add 1 spoon of my butter and a scotch bonnet pepper on top, but you don't want to burst it, guys, just leave it, okay? And add some of my fresh thyme. They're already washed, and I'm gonna leave it for at least 10 minutes, okay? My stove is on a medium heat. So I'm serving my steamed fish with some rice and peas. So the peas is already cooked. I add the coconut milk, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, scallion, everything. So now I'm gonna add my rice, okay? I just finished washing my rice. I'm adding at least 4 cups of basmati rice. If you had too much water or too much liquid, you can always remove it, okay? Especially if you want your rice to be nice and shelly. So I'm gonna cover my pot, and my stove is on a low heat. So just after 10 minutes, I'm gonna check on my steamed fish, and this is what it look like. It looking so good. Absolutely delicious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my okra, and I'm adding 10 okra, guys, that I cut, okay? So you just wanna put it all over on your fish, and I'm gonna leave it for at least 6 to 8 minutes, and it is ready, good to go. I wish you guys could be in my kitchen, because me I tell you, it smells so good. Super delicious. All that flavor. I'm gonna cover my pot. And what you can do, you can just shake it up. So everything will all combine. Yeah. So guys, my steamed fish is all finished and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. This right here is mouth watering, guys. It is so flavorful and it tastes so good. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up, guys, and share it. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Do you see the scotch bonnet pepper? It is not burst. That's exactly how you want it. I'm telling you, this right here is like flavor town. So good. Look at the color also, guys, of the pumpkin. Looks so yellow and so vibrant. Even my rice and peas. I'm gonna share it out and show you guys how it looks, okay? So now, as you can see, I'm just plating it all up. And guys, I'm telling you, the rice is so shelly. And I'm using basmati rice, okay? I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget, guys, to share and like the video, guys. Like it up, like it up, like it up. Because this video right here is lit. Yes. Oh my gosh. And you don't have to share it with rice. You can also serve it with some crackers on the side, with some mashed potato, whatever you preferred, okay? Or you can even have the steamed fish on its own. It's fine, you know? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.